In 3, 2, 1. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is bright and early today. As you can tell, we got the truck out, we got the trailer out. That could only mean one thing: we got a new project vehicle. So let's fuel up and hit the road. Just arrived to the Copart lot right now. There's a few people ahead of us, but it's okay. We're patient. We got time on our side. We're just gonna hang out here until they pull out the truck for us. So you guys are probably wondering, what have I got myself into? This thing is a short bed, standard cab Dodge truck with a huge exhaust stack on it and 8 lug wheels. If you guys haven't guessed it by now, it's got a 12 valve Cummins turbo diesel engine. And the best part about it is this thing is 4-wheel drive. Looking at it, it doesn't look like someone went ahead and just spray painted it, made it look good, and tried to just dump it at the auction. This thing was sold by the insurance company. Odds are, if the insurance was involved, this guy had full coverage on it, meaning he wanted to protect his assets. But just give you a quick glimpse what's on the inside. Comment down below if you guys see anything that looks familiar. This thing isn't automatic, but you got a shifter right there too. B&M Pro Ratchet. Probably have to look that one up and see what it is. You can even see a speaker box back here. And what is this we got? Got a little amplifier or something. What did this thing hit? That's the question. If you guys are familiar with this truck here in California and know the backstory on it, comment down below or reach out to me via email. I'd love to hear what the story on it was. And the best part about it, look at this, I didn't even see that in the picture. It's got a light bar. Curved light bar in it. So let's go ahead. Pops is helping me get this truck secured to the trailer. We're gonna hit the road soon, and then we'll see you guys back at the shop. So you guys are probably wondering why I bought this truck. So you could tell something's off right here. This does not look like a diesel truck, because typically these trucks would have a long bed or an extended cab. So this one's actually a short bed, standard cab truck. So someone actually went ahead and spent some time and money on this thing and got it shortened up. And honestly, I don't know if you guys could tell how good of a job this was done. This truck is not going to roll off my trailer with those wide tires. I'm going to have to remove the front wheel spacers and also throw on a slimmer spare tire just to be able to clear the trailer's fenders. Free shout out in my next video for anybody who knows what this wooden plank is for. Here we go. We got lights. In 3, 2, 1. Woo! She fired right up. What a huge sigh of relief. I'm so glad we got this thing started up, and it sounded so good. We're gonna go ahead and remove the windshield and all broken glass, vacuum that up so we have a clean and safe environment to work on. Maybe put a jack and try to push the roof up just to be able to work in and out of the truck a little bit easier when we're taking it apart. But man, am I excited. Alright guys, so here's this current situation. We went ahead and removed the fan trap, which was completely broken, and also the damaged radiator. Looked closer at this. Check that out, guys. This thing is studded, and the engine itself is actually painted red. I've never seen a truck that's had a motor painted unless it's been rebuilt. So we probably got super lucky on this, and the way this thing just fired right up with one start. I'm pretty confident this truck has been rebuilt. But yeah guys, I'm super excited, so let's go ahead and get our radiator, get it installed, get this truck to operating temperature and see how it runs, and we'll take it from there. So I know you guys don't really want to see how a tire is being changed, so let's do some magic. Boom! In the meantime, what I want to do is clear that glass. I know I said this earlier when it was up on the trailer, but it was difficult to climb up and down on the trailer. Let's go ahead and vacuum up any excess glass and take it from there.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
This is when my life completely turned around. I started investing in the stock market to set up my future for success. With the help of Robinhood allowing 0 commission trades on my investments, and for being today's affiliated sponsor. Use my referral link down in the video description below and earn a free stock just by signing up today. Oh, no way. What? Already making a return on our investment. You got a few bucks right there? Hopefully find some more money. That'd be pretty nice. Ready for the cab to remove, but before we do that, we need to get access to the seats just so that we have a little bit more room to move in and out of the truck, and so that we can move it around a little bit easier without having to duck when we're driving this truck. So what we're gonna do next is we have the cherry picker here. We're gonna try to see if we could grab onto this and try to pick it up and see how far we could go before we break something. Making good progress, as you saw from that time lapse. The cherry picker did its job. We were able to pull the door. This point right here was all the way down here, and if you look how much we were able to pull that door up. Sure, it doesn't look pretty, but hey, we'll have a little bit more headroom here to get in and out of the truck and move it around. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to tie it onto the A-pillar right here, and hopefully the cherry picker has enough strength to go ahead and get this A-pillar up to this point. And if we do that, that's good success for today. Then we could jump into the interior and pull out these seats, and have better access when we're moving in and out of this truck. So let's get to it. We're able to pull the A-pillar up as far as possible. Look at the amount of clearance we have now. From side view, it doesn't look too bad anymore, right? You kind of see the general shape of the truck now. It looks pretty good, so we're looking good. We're making progress. We did spill a little bit of glass, but that's no problem. So what we're gonna do next, you can see right now, it's still slanted a little more on the driver's side. So we got the cherry picker on this side too. We're gonna repeat the same process. Get this part of the A-pillar a little higher, so maybe this door will shut closed, but it'll just be easier when we're moving the truck around because the fluids are good, all the wiring is good, so this thing pretty much runs and drives. The only thing, it just looks a little rough around the edges. So until we find a good donor truck for a body, bed, and front end, this is gonna do for now. So let's go ahead and get the cherry picker tied right here on the A-pillar, pull it up, and then take it from there. Alrighty guys, that is going to be a wrap for today's video. We did find a donor truck and we will be doing a body swap in the next video. If you aren't subscribed, be sure to hit that button and I'll see you in the next one.